afternoon, good evening, good night, depending your location. I want to show you how you can launch your application, a web application, locally using localhost. How you can launch your application using localhost with XAMPP. Your web application, for example, this is an application. It's a compressed file. The first thing you are supposed to do is to extract this file. All the web application can come in this particular file. So you need to extract it so that you can use it and put the database and host it using XAMPP. So the first step is to install XAMPP application in your system. You install XAMPP, which is this particular one. You install XAMPP in your system. This is the application you can use to host the database and then host the web application. Now, after installing the XAMPP, you open it, you launch the control panel, the XAMPP control panel. Now, the most important thing you need here is to extract this file, because without extracting this file, you cannot make use of it. You first of all right click on the file and click on extract here, except you want to extract the file elsewhere, if not desktop background. Now you click on extract here, allow the file to extract, and then you get all the details in the folder. Now look at the file. The file has been extracted. Now the second thing you need to do now is you copy this file. Copy. Locate your local disk. Locate your local disk. Move down to XAMPP folder. This must come here after installation of XAMPP. After installing your XAMPP, you have this folder, because that's the app you are using to host this application locally. You come to the XAMPP folder, open it, open the XAMPP folder, locate htdocs folder, open it, and then paste that particular folder you copied from the desktop background, the particular folder you copied. You allow it to load. Now this is the folder I pasted. This is the folder I copied. So you open this folder, quickly locate your database, the database file, which is this one. This is the database file of this particular application. Now you have located the database, you launch your web browser, where you see the output of the system. You launch your web browser and XAMPP control panel will be on. You start the Apache and MySQL. You click on start, so that you'll be able to load the particular site. Now you type localhost. Now this is the dashboard, localhost dashboard. You can see the Apache, the version of the XAMPP I'm using, 8.2.4. That's the version. So you can download the one that suits your particular system. The particular system you are making use of, you can download and install the one that suits your system. So now I want to create a database for this system. This particular system, I want to create a database and import this particular database. I'll go to my web browser, go to PHP MyAdmin. Now I am in the admin server. This is other database I have here with me, but this particular one I want to put it so that I'll be able to host this particular site locally. I'll go to new. You click on new, and then make sure you know the name of the database, which is this one. You can copy the name. copy the name, paste it here, and then click on create. Database created. Now I have this particular one here. You click on import. After creating the database, after creating the name, you click on import. To import this particular database, so this is the database I want to import. After clicking on import, you click on choose file. Go to local disk, XAMPP folder, htdocs, locate that particular folder name, which is this one, open it, go straight to points, go straight to your database file, which is this particular one, and click on open. The database file is here, and then you click on import. Maybe in older version of XAMPP, you can see go. So once you import it, you click on go or import and allow the database to load. Exercise patient. Alright, the database is here. The database have been imported successfully. So I now have my database here, HRO information system. This is the database. Now you go to new. Now I want to host everything concerning this folder. You make sure that you know the name, the folder name of that particular app. This is the folder name. I'll copy it. Go to my web browser, type localhost / you paste that particular folder name, which is this one, the one I copied from here, you paste it in and press enter. Now this is the system. So I am hosting this particular site locally using my XAMPP application. This is the XAMPP application. If I stop this XAMPP application, it will not load again. So this is the particular app you can use to host your application locally. So my database is here. Before this thing can run, I must first of all import my database, else it will not open. Alright, please like, comment, share. Thank you very much.